안녕하세요. 미국 교과서 읽는 리딩 베이직 2 교포쌤과 함께하는 코넬노트테이킹 오늘 유닛 2 시작해 보도록 할게요. 먼저 수업 시작하기 전에 저희가 유닛 1 What is a globe에서 진행했던 Comprehension question answer 먼저 take up 하게 될 텐데요. Should we take a look on what was taken up last time? So we read this entire passage and we were able to organize it into a Cornell note-taking. So does anybody here remember what Cornell notes are? So as we read these separate paragraphs, we should be able to organize them into a Cornell note into main idea and detail. So 지난주에는 제목에서 What is a globe? 지구본은 무엇인가? 지구에는 무엇인가? 이걸 배웠는데요. 저희 메인 아이디어는 globe는 It's a model of Earth. It shows what Earth looks like. 지구가 어떻게 생겼는지를 보여주는 모델이다, 표본이다. 그리고 지구본의 두 가지. What does a globe made up of? So it's made up of maps and it is made up of lines. 이렇게 두 가지를 살펴봤어요. 그래서 여기 답 체크를 저희가 해볼 텐데요. Let's first take a look at the first answer. First question, guys. So question number 1, it says, what is the passage mainly about? A, the Earth's continents and oceans. B, the features of a globe. C, lines of latitude and longitude. A 보면은 이제 이 질문 자체는 이 질문이 어떤 메인 아이디어를 갖고 있었는지에 대해 얘기를 했는데요. We did mention the Earth's continents and ocean. 7가지의 대륙과 5가지의 바다가 있다고 했어요. 그죠? 하지만 그게 다가 아니에요. 그러면 저희가 이제 X 표시를 해주면 돼요. Then what about B, the features of a globe? 근데 이 feature이라는 단어 뜻이 잘 모르겠어요. 그러면 우리 세모 표시해놔요. Okay? Then what about C, lines of latitude and longitude? 저희 latitude and longitude라는 단어 배웠죠? 그죠? But is that the entire idea of the passage? No. 그래서 이건 두 가지는 뭐예요? It's only a partial answer. 이거는 거의 부분적인 answer, 답변이기 때문에 틀린 거예요. Then let's take a look. What does a feature mean? feature는 이 지구본이 뭘로 이루어져 있는지, 이 지구본은 A와 C. 그래서 우리가 지난번에 보면은 지구본은 map, right? continents and ocean, 그리고 lines로 이루어져 있다고 했어요. So what do you think the answer is? B is the answer. Okay, then let's look at question number 2. It says lines of latitude are blank lines. 이건 context clue 또는 definition 또는 기억하고 있는지를 알아보는 질문인데 lines of latitude, 기억이 잘 안 나. 근데 기억나나요? longitude는 vertical, 수직의 라인이라 했어요. 그럼 나머지 하나 latitude는 horizontal이겠죠. Then what about question number 3? Why is knowing a place's latitude and longitude is important? A, it tells us how close to the North Pole it is. Okay. B, it tells us the name of the place. Okay. C, it tells us the place's exact location. So what do you guys think? 그럼 이 질문이 물어보는 거는 어떤 장소의 latitude와 longitude를 아는 게 왜 중요한지를 물어보는데 what have we been learning so far? We've been learning that latitude and longitude tells you where things are. So do we need to know how close we are to the North Pole? No. Does it tell us the name? Is it important to know? No. Then what about C? It tells us place's exact location. So do you guys remember what this meant? 그 장소의 정확한 위치. So what did exact mean? The precise, the accurate, 정확한 위치를 뜻해요. 정확한. Okay, so I'd like you guys to please write this down as we are taking up the answers. Then what about question number 4? It says, what does imaginary mean? So I'm sure your teachers have sometimes told you, oh, imagine. Or whenever you write an essay, imagine a situation, right? Then are we trying to imagine a real situation? Or are we trying to imagine a not real? Or what about colorful? Right? Imaginary는 이제 존재하지 않은 상상으로만 이루어져 있는 이런 뜻이니까 it means not real. 지금까지 모두 이해됐나요? 궁금한 거 있으면은 댓글로 남겨주세요. I'll try my best to answer them, okay? Then for question number 5, it says complete the sentences. 그러면 이거는 fill in the blank question이라고 해요. So in a fill in the blank question, what we need to look at is something called a context clue. Then what is a context clue? Context clue는 문맥상의 힌트를 뜻해요. Okay? So let's take a look. A globe is a blank of the earth. 지구본은 our earth의 blank래요. Then what kind of word do you think might fit? 이거를 보여주는 거니까 it is a model. I'm sorry guys, I'm so bad at writing. I'll show you the exact answers in the next page, okay? So just hang on there, okay? So what about B? Lines of longitude run from blank to south. So what do you think is a context clue here? We have longitude. So do you remember long means vertical, 수직에. 그러면 we gotta run from north to south, right? Because we can't go from east to south. 이상하잖아요, right? Then what about C? Lines of blank run from east to west. So if we have lines of longitude here, then this must be the lines of latitude. Nice. Okay, so let's write those down. So here, 이거는 저희가 코넬노트테이킹에서 했었던 outline을 그냥 정리하는 거예요. So let's check if we have missed anything. So it says a globe, what it shows, and the latitude and longitude. So 글로브는 무엇이고, 맵으로 이루어져 있었고, lines로 만들어져 있었대요. 그죠? So a model of it actually says here, a model of the earth. Right? So what about here? We have all 7 continents. So do you guys remember how many continents? What were all the continents in the world? Okay. And 5 oceans. So latitude, what are they? They are, do you remember? Longitude is a vertical line. 그러면 let's fill this one out first. This must be longitude, right? Then this must be a horizontal. 그래서 look at the horizon. Look at the ocean. Look at the horizon 할 때 와, 저 바다의 하늘과 바다가 만나는 지점을 봐. 그러면 그게 수평이죠. That's what it means. Horizontal. 근데 이 AL 엔딩이 이 단어를 그냥 형용사적으로 바꿔주는 것뿐이에요. So here are the actual answers. So question number 1 was B. The features of a globe. 지구본의 특징. Number 2, A, horizontal. Number 3, C. Because latitude and longitude, it tells us where we are at, exactly where we are at. Number 4, imaginary means not real. Number 5, so do you guys remember what we had to use here? We had to use something called a context clue. context clue는 문맥상의 힌트를 뜻해요. 그래서 핵심 단어는 뭔지, 그 핵심 단어가 이 빈칸 추론을 어떻게 돕는지를 배우는 거예요. So 5A is a globe is a model of the earth. B. Lines of longitude run from north to south. C. Lines of latitude run from east to west. 같이 한번 따라서 읽어보는 게 너무 좋을 것 같아요. So for question number 6, complete the outline. A globe is a model of the earth. It shows what the earth looks like. The globe shows land and water. All 7 continents and 5 oceans. A globe has a latitude and longitude. Latitude is a horizontal line, and longitude is a vertical line. 저희가 이제 Unit 2 Understanding Hemisphere 진도를 나가려고 했는데 생각외로 답 체크하는 게 길어져서 저희가 Understanding Hemisphere는 스스로 읽어보고 코넬노트테이킹도 해보고 저희가 다음 주에 테이크업 하면은 이제 선생님이 한 노트테이킹과 친구들이 한 노트테이킹과 비교해 가면서 어떤 부분이 부족했는지를 파악해 나가는 게 메타인지예요. Okay? So I'd like you to please try yourself reading, highlighting the main points in each paragraph and try to write down your own notes in a place something like this. 간단해요. 빈 종이에 그냥 줄 여기 찍 긋고 여기에 핵심 아이디어, 여기에 디테일을 적어주면 돼요. I'll try to come back tomorrow, guys. Okay? So let's do this. Have a wonderful summer. It's very hot outside. I hope you enjoy it. Bye, everyone.